9000 and 9006 combo bulbs. Kit by Foreigner is a remarkable addition to your car lighting essentials. This kit is specifically designed for use as fog light bulbs and boasts an impressive brightness of 52000 lumens. With a voltage requirement of 12 volts, these bulbs offer a reliable and powerful performance. The product's technical details showcase its quality and durability. The item has a sleek silver color, making it a stylish choice for your vehicle. Additionally, the kit includes one bulb with a weight of 12 ounces and dimensions of 7x 1.95x 4.6 inches. The item model number is 9005/HB3 and 9006/HB4, and the manufacturer part number is F0605RQ26. One of the standout features of this product is its long operating life of 60000 hours, ensuring longevity and reliability. The manufacturer, Foreigner, has crafted this kit with attention to detail, using a whole aluminum body for durability and quality. Moreover, the Foreigner upgraded 9005-9006 combo bulbs K.
2012 HIR. 2 LED bulbs 360-degree is a remarkable lighting accessory that delivers both efficiency and durability. With a wattage of 120 watts and an operating life of up to 50,000 hours, this product offers long-term value and reliability. The item's lightweight design, weighing only 13.1 ounces, makes it easy to handle during installation, while the compact package dimensions of 7.36 inches, 5.2 inches, 2.24 inches ensure a seamless fit in various vehicles. As part of the Novsight brand, known for its commitment to quality automotive products, the 9012 HIR2 LED bulbs boast superior performance and illumination. The manufacturer's attention to detail is evident in the thoughtful construction of this item. Moreover, its compatibility with the front auto part position enhances versatility, catering to a wide range of vehicle types. The item model, number 9012, and manufacturer part number N59. US 9012 provide clear identification for easy reference and purchasing. Overall, the Novs H13/9008 light bulbs by Terminator are a high-quality lighting solution designed for automotive use. With a powerful brightness of 30000 lumen, these bulbs offer exceptional visibility on the road, enhancing safety during nighttime driving. These light bulbs have a voltage of 12 volts DC and come in a vehicle-specific fit, making them compatible with a wide range of vehicles. The operating life of 60000 hours ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Manufactured by Terminator, a reputable brand known for producing reliable auto parts, these light bulbs are built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Weighing only 9.1 ounces and with dimensions of 4.96 inches, 4.84 inches, 2.36 inches, they are compact yet powerful, delivering excellent lighting performance. Overall, the 2024 upgraded H13/9008 light bulbs are a smart choice for drivers looking for a durable, high-performance lighting solution for their vehicles. Whether your commute
11/H8/H9 fog light bulbs by Car Sparkle deliver a remarkable lighting experience with its impressive specifications. Designed to be 800% brighter than standard bulbs, these bulbs emit a cool white 6500 K light at a brightness of 20,000 lm while consuming only 20 W of power. The Car Sparkle bulbs ensure durability with an operating life of 80000 hours, making them a reliable choice for long-term use. The model QLH11 features a wattage of 50 watts and comes as a single item package. The sleek black color and painted exterior add a touch of style to your vehicle while enhancing visibility on the road. With a focus on performance and quality, Car Sparkle, the manufacturer of these bulbs, has ensured that the QLH11 model meets the highest standards. At a weight of 7.4 ounces and compact dimensions of 5.83 inches, 4.13 inches, 2.01 inches, these bulbs are easy to install and compatible with the auto part position on the right side. In conclusion, the Car Sparkle 2023 Upgrade H11